Hello aspirants, welcome to GDC classes. Welcome to GDC English classes YouTube channel. So in this session, we will discuss about what is testosterone and what are the physiological or biological functions of testosterone in the body. So here, the natural androgen nothing but testosterone secreted by interstitial nothing but Leydig cells of the testis. So testis produces testosterone. The testosterone in presence of 5-alpha reductase enzyme converts to active form of testosterone dihydrotestosterone nothing but capital DHT. So this dihydrotestosterone is an active form of androgen, binds to the androgen or testosterone receptor and involves in the physiological functions. This dihydrotestosterone enters into adrenal cortex, and in adrenal cortex, that is nothing but in the adrenal gland, produces nothing but converts to dehydroepiandrosterone, androsterone, dehydroepiandrosterone. In women, ovary produces small quantity of testosterone. In the females, there is a small quantity of testosterone production will be there. In the males, there is a small quantity of estrogen will be there. If the production is more, there is an imbalance will be there. So the male characteristic appear in the females if more testosterone production in the females, and female characteristics appear in the males if excess estrogen production in the males. And here our main focus is on the functions of testosterone in the body. So not only among the reproductive actions, also having other actions. So on male reproductive organs involves in the development of sexual organs, involves in sperm production, that is spermatogenesis nothing but genesis, prostate growth, development of prostate gland, and erectile function involves in the stimulation of sexual organs during the sex nothing but reproduction. Puberty, at the stage of puberty, involves in development and maintenance of secondary sexual characters like muscle mass, like growing of hair on the chin. Okay, these are mainly related to the reproductive organs. So on the muscle, testosterone nothing but involves in androgenesis, increase muscle mass, muscle growth, as well as increase the strength of muscle. That's why most of the protein supplements used by the people who are going to gym to maintain their body mass, they use protein supplements. They contain androgens, they produce androgens nothing but they involve in androgens, increase muscle mass as well as muscle growth and strengthening the muscle. And especially this androgens is nothing but increase muscle mass. Okay, increase muscle mass. So here continuation. So next on the bone, the role of testosterone in the bone physiology: promote the density of bone, maintenance of bone density, and closure of epiphyseal plates at the age of 18. And testosterone function on CNS. The function of testosterone on the central nervous system is, so the role of testosterone on bones: maintenance of bone density like calcium as well as phosphate, and also involves in closure of epiphyseal plates at the correct time. Okay, and further the effect of testosterone on CNS. So during the sex drive, during involves in the sexual activities, the testosterone act on CNS and produce pleasurable activities. So producing like happiness during the sex, and also sense of well-being like euphoria, improve the confidence, and also plays a role in cognition as well as memory. And on the skin, the role of testosterone on the skin: growth of facial and body hair, helps in collagen growth, and also androgenic related alopecia. And the role of testosterone on bone marrow involves in RBC production, blood cell production. And that's why especially in some types of anemia, especially loss of muscle mass plus anemia, in that condition testosterone supplements are used. And even in case of the person who are suffering with AIDS as well as cancer, in that the immune system become very weak. In that case, to boost immune system, to strengthen the body mass, testosterone supplements can be used in case of HIV as well as cancer, along with other main drugs, So this is simply about what is testosterone and what are the general functions of testosterone in the body. So like this interesting videos and concept based videos, subscribe to GDC English Classes YouTube channel. So GPAD Discussion Center, one of the major pharma platform to teach GPAT, NIPER, Drug Inspector, Pharmacist classes. And recently, GDC started classes in English language, especially for students from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. So subscribe to GDC English classes. Thank you.